Why cats knock their water bowl over after. Cats usually show the limit before owners notice the pressure. Check routine, environment, and the first trigger owners are reinforcing.